Yeah. Masiqineni, you must be strong. Retweet. Bengingazuthetha mina namhlanje. Bendingazuthetha. But because it's free tweet, I have to say something. I have to say something. For free tweet. That's what free Twitter would have wanted. Free Twitter would have wanted us to be strong. Free Twitter was a father, a provider. Free Twitter was a mother, a comforter. When we would be bored, we would go to free Twitter. Free Twitter would always have our backs. We would just look up at our cell phone screens and see free Twitter, MTN, and we would know free Twitter has our backs. What MTN has done is unforgivable. Killing free Twitter. There are many families that are built today because of free Twitter and DMs. Many careers built, 12s get fed. Bread on the table because of free Twitter. We will never find someone like free Twitter ever again. We put that aside. Singabantu namhlanje we are old, we were raised by free Twitter. There has never been anyone like free Twitter. Who's gonna watch our videos now? Who? Where are we gonna laugh? Where are we gonna cry? Where are we gonna be fake woke? Azange yenzeke inhlungu, inhliziyo yami ibifuyile. Ndikhala umzobona ngezolo. Okwandigala ngezolo. Ndikhalela free Twitter. Ndikhalela free Twitter. Our budding careers. Yo, xola sisi, xola.